Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Teacher Duan. Today we are learning the "把" sentence. First, listen to an office conversation. Pay attention to where "把" appears.
姐，方案改好了，我把文件发给你了。
好的，收到。那个文件名是给那个傻叉的最终版，对吧？
Did you hear where "把" is? Yes, it's in the main sentence. I sent the file to you. Let's break down the structure of this sentence. First word is I, the subject. Then 把. Then file, the object of the action. Then send, the verb. Finally 给你了, meaning sent to you and completed. Many people say 我发了文件, but that only focuses on I. That's not good enough. Natural Chinese says it like this. 我把文件发给你了. Pay attention to this word. 把 is the key. The function of 把 is to move the object file forward, to tell everyone that the focus is on what happens to the file, not on me. Now let's listen to the main sentence again in slow motion. Pay attention to the highlighted word 把 on the screen.
我把文件发给你了。
Now, pay attention to what the woman says.
那个文件名是给那个傻叉的最终版，对吧？
She reads out the file name. Find a version for that idiot. 傻 is a very implied word, used to insult someone. Why was the man stunned when he heard it? Because he realized he had forgotten to change the file name. This insulting file name was directed at the very person he had just politely called sister. It's an embarrassing joke caused by his own carelessness. Remember, 傻 is very rude. Never use it in formal or work situations. Now, let's listen to the full conversation again. Pay attention to the file name and the man's reaction.
姐，方案改好了，我把文件发给你了。
好的，收到。那个文件名是给那个傻叉的最终版，对吧？
Okay, now let's do two substitution exercises. First, look at this sentence. 我把文件发给你了. Please replace file with report. The answer is 我把报告发给你了. I send the reports to you. Second exercise. Still this sentence. 我把文件发给你了. Please replace send with take. The answer is 我把文件拿给你了. I took the file to you. Okay, today we learned the 把 sentence. The structure is 把 plus object plus verb. Its function is to emphasize the object of the action. For example, I send the file to you. Emphasize the file. We also learned a cultural point. 傻 is an implied word. Never use it in formal situations. In the next episode, we'll do more exercise. Can you turn the 把 sentence into a negative sentence? Get ready. See you next time.